What's up, guys? We are back with another Everything's Regular auto auction update. Man, we got the caddy right there, Big Pimp DeVille, man. You see me, man, we out here. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Without you guys, none of this would be possible. I appreciate all you guys' help and support. You know, without further ado, let's get into it now, shall we? First up, guys, we got an 05 Nissan Sentra here, 150,000 miles on the dash. No body damage from the first glance. Headlights could be restored. It is a white car, so it could use a fresh pressure wash on this thing just to bring this color back to life a little bit more. 150,000 miles on the dash. If we can find this latch, we'd be all good to go. All right, there we go. Take a look under the hood. It's missing the engine cover. It's a 05, so I mean, out of 15 years, I'm sure it's got misplaced, but just looks pretty dusty under here. Doesn't look nothing looks out of the ordinary. Honestly, looks pretty fair if you ask me. It is the special edition, whatever that consists of. When you guys let me know in the comments below, I'm sure when you guys know. If we do take a look at the inside, it is pretty whooped in here, guys. Definitely is gonna need a full-on interior detail, but I mean, after you clean it, it seems like it would look pretty fair in here. Everything is intact. It's just really filthy in there. Not sure if this car was used for like a storage or something at one point. Do got some tequila kick here in the back. Yeah, somebody was asking me what tequila kick mean. It means like, so basically you got a dent here. You know, when you're like one of those nights when you're just loaded, you know, you're like, yeah, man, you're just kicking to the end, and then you just kick a car at the back of your foot, like, yeah, type shit. But yeah, man, Nissan Sentra, what y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 2011 Cadillac CTS here, guys. Let's see what it has. 199,000 miles. Bad trans. They say this one might have a bad transmission on a 2011 Cadillac CTS. I wish it was the V, but you guys know we did swap the motor on the Camaro, so we could actually do the same thing with this daddy-o right here. Get this thing swapped out. We could take a quick look at the inside. I mean, it is pretty whooped. I'm sure they didn't care about this car because it didn't drive to the best of its abilities, but it does have some black leather interior. Everything seems to be intact. Could use a good cleaning of some sort. I mean, it's a pretty decent looking car. You do got some tequila kickage action back here on the trunk and the yeah, all over the trunk. I don't know what happened there. They might have gotten an argument or something. Baby moms ran into the car, kicked the car. You never know what happens with these cars, man. It's a Cadillac, but it is pretty fair. You got all matching wheels on there. That's a plus, because when you guys see, what's up, man? You know, we guys see these cars at the auction, they never have the matching wheels. So it is the V6. No need to go in under the hood there. We already know it's got something wrong with it. But what you guys think about it, man, let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, we got a 09 Mazda 6 here. First off, we got some bolts hanging this little bumper together and stuff, man. They rigged that joint. A little gappage there, a little panel piece missing. I don't know what happened here. They hit a yellow pole. Dang. Drag racing the foreign again at its finest, man. If we pop the hood under here, the antifreeze level does look a little low. I mean, other than that, everything looks like untouched. I don't really want to go into detail with it. 213,000 miles. It might have went up on a curb of some sort. You're missing a whole like bottom piece down there. No big deal. You're gonna need some hubcaps, headlight restoration. It's a 09, so you guys, if you guys pull this off, you'll be able to make some money. We take a look at the inside. It does look pretty fair as well. Some beige interior. I mean, it's dirty, as you feel me, I would guess, but I mean, everything in here is intact. So you just fix up the body, make sure it's running good. I think you'll have a decent sale out of this one right here. This one will be something to bid on. Just looking at it, it seems like a pretty like newer car that a lot of people might be interested in. What you guys think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, another Scion TC. I don't know if this is the same one from last week or not, man, but we got a 05 Scion TC here, 210,000 miles. Man, I remember I was supposed to get one of these when I was 16, man. Oh yeah, this is the same one that was here, because why? I remember this burnt up side over here, so I don't know if somebody burnt up in this thing or what, but I remember it did smell like fire and all that stuff. So I don't know if you guys want the burnt up Scion TC. Man, it's back here this week. We hadn't already looked at this. It's a manual shift, so no need for looking at it again, man. What y'all think about it, let me know in the comments below. We got a 2010 Nissan Sentra here. Looks like 141,000 miles. Pretty good looking Sentra. The colors match. We don't got no fading of the paint from what I see so far. If we do take a quick look underneath the hood here, does look untouched. Looks pretty fair under here, and everything looks to be topped off, to say the least. So this may be something decent, one of the more decent cars to bid on. It just looks better than everything here, so that's why I say that. It does have like a parking sticker here. I don't know if somebody just forgot to come pick it up, or just something's wrong with the transmission. You guys know these cars are like ideal for the transmission problems. I don't know if this one in particular has the CV engine, or I mean the CV transmission, or whatever that's called. But if you guys know about it, man, let me know in the comments below. Pretty dirty in the inside, but all in all, pretty fair. Nothing that really stands out, but it does look good enough. What do you guys think about the Nissan Sentra? And it does have all matching hubcaps, man, so that's a plus. What y'all think about it, let me know in the comments below. Man, we got a 2014 Nissan Altima here, man. One of the newer cars at the auction today. 103,000 miles. Looks like, first glance, it looks pretty good. We're missing something there on the bottom half. I don't know if it was resprayed or not, but the mileage is pretty good. You're missing the emblem in the front. No big deal. They probably did that when they was taking the car, yanking it on the tow trade, on the trailer, or whatever the case was. But we take a look at the inside. Looks like this door handle is broken right there. No big deal. Could use a good cleaning. Seats and everything. Even the armrest is pretty dirty. You can tell that. You can see that from a distance. But I mean, everything looks to be intact. No rips. Got a few little cigarette burns in it. Nothing too crazy. It is a 2014. Missing some paint right there. Looks like they hit it with like a paintball gun or something. But pretty good looking car overall, man. What y'all think about it, let me know in the comments below. We don't want the Cavalier. We don't want the 03 Grand Am. What is this? The 07 G6. It's got some gappage here, so maybe a car came by. Yeah, maybe a car came by and messed this thing up, but it's all dirty in the inside. Should be a simple fix, judging if this door is the only issue. You got some action in the back right there on the bumper, no big deal. So you need a door and a bumper. Tires are like dry rotted. I don't know if it might have been here for a while. Take a quick look. 157,000 miles. You got leaves and everything, so you guys see this car hasn't been driven in looks like over a year, rather, or a couple years. But it's a 07 Pontiac. Door doesn't even attempt to close. Everything right there looks structurally good, so it's really just the door. Get you a new one, you'll be back in the game. What y'all think about the 07 Pontiac G6, man? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 05 Hyundai Elantra, 139 on the dash. Interior, interior could be, I mean, saved. It's not as bad as the other cars here. It just needs a good vacuuming Some good armor all on these like black parts, bring everything back to life. Seems like a pretty decent car. 139 on the dash. This is something I would bid on. You guys know I love the little Elantras because most people, they don't really buy these at the auctions, believe it or not. And I had pretty good got a pretty good success rate with these things, man, so far. So I don't know, this may be something to bid on here today. Hyundai Elantra, 139,000 miles, man. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. We really don't want the 06 Ford 500 with the brand new headlight and like the fogged up one with a bad trans. Really don't want it. It's got matching wheels, but actually it doesn't have matching wheels, so we're moving on anyway. We got this 02 Mitsubishi Lancer, 150,000 miles. The side mirror is freaking ripped off this joint, so maybe they was trying to get away from the police or something. Smacked a couple cars. This whole right side bumper is hanging, no biggie. I mean, it's there, so that's a plus. You can probably pop the hood right here, bro. It's got a cold air intake, looks like. Whoever had this car, looks like they liked it. 130,000 miles. It's fairly low for this year. Got the donut on the front wheel, and we got some stuff hanging up here, so maybe they did run up on something. I'm not really sure. If we take a look at the inside, we do have the gray cloth, which doesn't look too bad, but honestly smells like they was just trying to cover up the smell of a body. So I think I'm good on the Pine Saw Lancer, man. What y'all think about it? And one of these rims is like bent up in the back, so y'all let me know what y'all think about it, man, in the comments below. If y'all into Saturn, this is where you want to be. Definitely don't want Saturn 1, don't want Saturn 2, don't want, what is this? Don't want the 03 Accent. We definitely don't want the Pontiac, what is this, like a Bonneville or some sort? Audi, bad clutch, I guess it's a manual. We don't want no Audi with problems. Honda, 93 Honda, bad alternator, 176,000 miles. Actually looks like it's just finished. Mine's kind of look just like this. Burgundy interior, do we got it? Absolutely. Yeah, this one actually might have been mine back in the day. That's funny, that's the funny part. I swear this one might even look similar. Rims was a little different, but literally just like this. 93 Honda, always had issues, man, but it was a good running car for what it was. We don't want the 94 Grand Am. This thing just looks like Bertha. I don't even know. Whatever image of Bertha you got, this is what that car looked like. I'm cool. Don't really want the Ford van, Dodge Durango, Envoy. Oh, we got a two-door Yukon GT. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about, man. We got a 97 Yukon, GMC Yukon GT, man. Two-door here. It says it has a bad fuel pump, 179,000 miles. Really good looking interior, nice leather interior, front and back. Looks really good in here. We can easily LS swap this thing and be good to go. The condition is really good. They need to bring the two-door Yukon and Tahoes back, or whatever the case was, man. This one is in good condition. The paint and everything looks nice. We can pop open the hood. It says it has a bad fuel pump. Just looks really, really dirty under here. You can definitely swap this out for an LS really fast and be back on the road in no time. Really good Yukon, two-door Yukon, man. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, we're not gonna go for the Astro van, nor the Santa Fe, nor the PT Cruiser, man. So let's see what else they got here. You guys remember the Nissan from last week? It's the SER. I guess they didn't come pick it up, but back here again. So if you guys want to see this one, go tune into that video from last week, because I really don't want to get back in that car. We got a motorhome here. Wow. That looks like a real life, like somebody's kitchen or something. Just say this, you clean that thing up. Nah, this is gonna need a little bit more work than the cleanup, dog. A little bit more work than the cleanup, man. You might have something worth of some value up in here. I tried so hard. What does it say? I tried so hard to grow beautiful angel wings, only to grow worthless, dark razor sharp horns. I apologize for it all. What I come to, a wife to try to be full of worthlessness and all. Wow. Yeah, this trailer is probably got a lot of evil in it. I think I'm gonna be good. I think I'm good. What do you guys think, man? Sorry, we just don't want the Dodge Chrysler van with the rest on the doors. We just don't want it. What is this? Let's see what this is, Freddie. What do we have on our list today? It says a Comet. We got a 1974 Mercury Comet here. We've been seeing a lot of these old, like super old blast from the past cars here, man, lately. We got the Comet. $1974. Let's see. We got some sheets on the seats. That didn't really do nothing, honestly. What you got? I don't even really want to get in there, y'all, but y'all just see it did have the little blue get down. I mean, when it first came out, it might have looked really cool and beefed up. Man, this thing is just filthy. You're definitely gonna need to clean all this out and pretty much gut it just to get it, like, just to hop in that thing. What does this even say? Bill Hayden, Las Vegas, Nevada. I don't even think they still have a Bill Hayden dealer out here. You guys can look that up if you like. 1974 Mercury Comet. Bought from Bill Hayden. Probably in 73 or some sort by a mobster, man. And this one's got a bad fuel pump. So, alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. If you're wondering what any of these cars are gonna go for, be sure to tune in tomorrow morning, as that video will be out first thing in the AM. Hey, who knows, I might give it to you today. But yeah, man, thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.